You can use Remine to get more information about a specific building or condo complex. Simply go to search, position your map in the general area. I've chosen to position mine in the Brickell area. I'm going to specify status active, and with the filters on the left hand side, I am going to specify building type, condo, and apply the change. The results that appear on the right hand side will give you specific listings, but they'll also say building details. If I click on building details, they'll give me more information on how many active units are in that building, how many sales have closed. They'll even let you know if a sale occurred off the MLS. Be sure to look for additional Remine videos with tips and tricks on how to use this product. And as always, thank you so much for being a Miami member.